Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. In this video, we're going to take a look at a fairly new product. It's been on the market just for a little bit, but it's a new to me product. This is the Osight from Olight. You may be familiar with their flashlights. They make great EDC flashlights that are affordable, and now they've come out with a optic for your pistol. The Osight's a 3 MOA red or green optic for your pistol. I'm gonna get a little closer shot here in just a minute, but this has a huge window. So you're gonna see this is bigger than my other optics, my Holosun and my Trijicon. The window is much bigger there. Makes it easier to pick up my red dot. I feel like it is a little bigger, but I think it's easier when I first bring my pistol up to find that dot. So this is gonna be 24 millimeters by 21.5 millimeters. It's the size of your window. I need a magazine. Compared to the Holosun window there, you can see. Got another Holosun MOS here. And then Trijicon. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of a size comparison there. After 10 minutes of not being moved, it will go off, but it has an auto awake feature. It's gonna help you save on your battery life. You're gonna get roughly about 10,000 hours on a battery life. Now, if you turn it at the lowest setting, you can get a lot more, obviously. But for a normal setting, get about 10,000 hour recharge. Does come with a rechargeable cap. We'll take a look at that in a few minutes as well. But definitely got plenty of battery life here for you. So the way we charge our Osight is this charging case here goes on, and it's kind of hard to see in the bright sunlight. I can cover it up and I can see it. And now we are charging our light there. Currently, the Osight is retailing for $229, which is a great buy. This is a super affordable optic if you're looking to get into red dots for your pistol. I think this is an affordable option to get you into the market. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.